No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Benji. Hey.
That's your for a three-way. I don't blame you. She's hot.
You cut it fucking thing.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it's... Okay. No, fuck off!
Give a kiss. Give a kiss. One more kiss. Give me a kiss.
I just don't understand how you can be complaining when you don't pay the bills. You don't have.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Lie down. Lie down.
Why are you mad at me?
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came... Girl.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Rosie, what do you think? Does that look like you?